Sige, sir.
Alright, go.
Sige, sir. Go. Action.
Good evening. I am Donato Cesar Rojas, the Director of the National Bureau of Investigation of the Philippines. May I greet each and every one of you, officers and members in the 25th anniversary of the Philippine-American Society of Alabama. My greetings to all of you for having continued through the years the good relationships between the American and the Filipino of Alabama, and that you are enriching the culture as well as the activities that you have in that part of the world. I hope that I can also be with you, but my work in the Philippines has prevented me from being with you. Just the same, I greet all of you in your anniversary, and that I hope you will continue to engage in activities that will foster the relationship between Filipinos and Americans in Alabama. Again, I greet all of you. Happy 25th anniversary.